everybody, I'm Lego Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with Lego bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a Lego creation in under 3 minutes. And today I'm feeling especially summery, so today I'm going to be building this, hang on, this is wrong, right? This summery swimming pool, and I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock! Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So the aim of this is that you have as much space in your pool as possible. So I'm going to be using fairly large base plates. I'm going to be using this green one, which is a 8 by 16 base plate, and I'm going to be using this 6 by 10 base plate there. And I'm going to stick them round about here, and with big base plates you're going to find some difficulties. So where did I put it? Use my Lego separator to push the plates in like so, and now it's nicely stuck on. So we're going to be making the walls of it, so I'm just going to use standard bricks to go around it like this, and then use standard base plates. I'm going to be using a lot of these 1x6 ones in blue to make sure that those bricks are secure. And also to have some nice styling, because who doesn't like styling? So there's the basis of our swimming pool. Now we're going to make the stairs. So we're going to be using base plates, just base plates, to make nice simple stairs. So we're going to put these base plates together, 2x4 base plate on top, and a 1x4 base plate on top of that as well. And then we got some nice simple stairs. We'll bring back our swimming pool, and we put our stairs right here on the edge so they can just get into the pool by the stairway. So now we're going to be doing the diving board, which is might be a little bit more exciting. A 1x2 standard base plate. I'm going to be using yellow, and we're going to be using a lot of these side attachment bricks. We're just going to stick them on top like this. Now this is going to be a bit of an overhang, so we're going to be using a 2x2 base plate like this. We're going to attach more of these side attachment bricks here like this. Behind it we're going to be attaching a 1x2 standard brick. On top of that, another one of those 2x2 base plates, another set of side attachment bricks, and this inverted roof tile to help with the overhang, and a 2x6 standard base plate for the diving board. You can use any length you like though. And over here we're going to be doing something very clever. So we're going to be using double cheese slopes turned upside down to make a nice stair pattern, and you can use this for any stairs you like. At the moment we're going to be using it for our diving board, and then we just attach it over here on the top, and there we've done it. So there we have it, our pool is complete. This is going to be a bit tricky trying to fit it in the screen, but anyways, the essential part, as I told you, is to make it as big as possible so you can have as much play as possible. For instance, I'm going to put this guy in here, and there's lots of space for lots of minifigures around here, or mini dolls if you have them. And let's just sit him down here just to relax in the sunshine in the pool water as well. As I showed you, you can have them coming up the stairs, or if you feel more exciting, you can go up the diving board and then just jump off into the water. Oops, I hit your head there, sorry. But you can make bigger diving boards, you can make smaller diving boards, taller diving boards. As I say every single time, this is flexible. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that has inspired you, and until next time, happy building!